If you guys are brave enough to stay to the end of this video, you guys are gonna see how I would react to a road rage incident. Are you morning, winners? See what I did there? Winners. My last name is Win, and I called you winners. Get it? Get it? And in reality, we're all winners, right? Because we're all still alive, still happy, and still enjoying creative content on YouTube. No matter who you're watching. If you're watching me, thank you so much for joining again, you guys. The last video had such good feedback on the fact that the legit green screen commentaries are officially back. My idea is doing Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. So this is like the old original schedule. One more housekeeping thing. If you guys have any videos you want me to talk about on these commentaries, DM me, Smurfinwrx, and let me know, because I only find what I find and I don't know how old they are, and sometimes they're old. Okay, enough of that. Let's get into the first video. How many young mans out there, you guys are like chilling at home and all of a sudden you get a text from your crush. She goes, my parents are gone. Do you want to come over? In this case, this next video, this young gentleman, you know, he got a little ahead of himself. And head, get it? Ah! Okay, we're starting off real slow, right? I'm getting back into the routine of commentaries, but let's move on to the next video. Okay, you guys, I know this is going to be a little bit old, but I wanted to highlight the fact of road rage. Road rage can get crazy. You guys know that I have low-key have some aggression, and there is a road rage incident on YouTube of me with another guy, and pretty much I just MF'd him verbally and told him to run me over. But let's talk about that, another one. I'm not going to link that video. If you guys want to link each other, just put it in the comment section if you want to. I'm not going to talk. It was not my best moment, and I debriefed it and said he was wrong, I was wrong, I should have been the bigger man. But anyways, enough of this, let's watch this video.
It's okay. You didn't see me. It's okay. Take a deep breath. Sorry. Very sorry. Thank you. Thank you for stopping.
I don't know about you, but if that was me, I would have taken out a mini bag, put on some glasses, and then fudged him up, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But he is getting released fairly soon, but that requires you guys to like and share the video. So if we can get a bunch of likes on this video, Fat Dong will appear. That's what his instructions for me. Don't get mad at me. Don't shoot the messenger. Fat Dong told me to say this to you. Section highlights of the day from a previous video from one of my winners. You see what I did there again? Winners. Name is Kendrick Dupelis. I think that's how you say it. Comments, never liked a video so fast. I miss the commentaries. I never pinned a comment so quickly, but I agree with it. Next video, okay, so you guys ever been to a construction site? So for me, whenever I go to construction zones, I always park somewhere else. One thing is, you'll always get nails in your tires. Construction, right? No fault to them. Second thing is, there's a lot of big vehicles and they're working, so they're on the clock and they're gonna do their shit. Unfortunately, shit happens. This next video highlights exactly what I'm talking about. Lesson, watch out. I would have been shitting bricks if I was him. I don't know, for me, I felt like he had enough time to move away, don't you think? Like, you can see a boulder coming from freaking uphill, and then it's coming down to you, like, you have enough time to put it in reverse. Maybe he was on his phone. Okay, this one, it's not really car related, but I'm gonna make up something for you guys. So this video is about a burglar breaking into cars or something.
We do have his description. Can we take that? Let's take his description. Okay. This is the guy there, he's got a nose and some hair. It's uncanny, Lisa.
And the newsman puts this sketch on. And I think this video's a little bit old, but I had a freaking huge laugh at it because the news anchor went with it. A little appreciation for him, a little bit humor for you guys. Break from the cars. I never have a coworker that's a little bit lazy, but always wants to play. For some odd reason, he always convinces you to play too. Well, in this next video, there's two coworkers and they're like, bro, I challenge you to tic-tac-toe. Now hopefully they don't get in trouble. Lighthearted use of work machines, but hey, at least they're having some fun, right? Question: are you a type of person that reacts angrily at road rage incidents? You cuss people out or you fuck people up? Now if you're the type that just mother F's everyone verbal, then this is probably you.
Right, are you crazy? You're fucking paranoid, You are fucking, you bloody bastard bitch! You
I mean, I can't blame him. I know how it feels to be mad. You just can't compile your brain because your shit is running too quick. You can't flow the correct way, so what you say is just what you say. Bloody hell, fuck, motherfucker, all day. Did I just spit a bar? Are you one of these guys that get angry and just like say whatever is on your head? God damn it, fuck your kitchen and your cat. I hate pizza. I hate pizza with pineapple. If you like pizza with pineapple, I'm not gonna judge you here, but it's kind of weird. I like pineapple by itself. This is America. If you ain't first or last, Rick Bobby. And of course, we have our honorable mention for a video. Have you ever been to a barber where you're super tired and you don't know what to do, but you need to stay fresh for Friday so you can go to the club with your chick? Ooh, it's a mouthful. That's what she said. Awkward. I'm gonna warn you guys, don't ever scare me when I'm sleeping because I wake up defensively. I think it runs in my family. My niece is watching, so you know what we're talking about. You come up to us when we're sleeping, and we're just gonna uppercut you like that. The other barber's reaction is funny as F. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I know some of these videos are a bit older, but hey, I don't have a lot of resources to find videos, and I'm looking through them as I can, so if you guys want me to do newer, more current content, then just slide into my DM, let me know, like link me into an IG video, say Mike, this video is super funny, review it, act like an idiot on camera, and I will do so. Okay, I've had too many energy drinks, I'm gonna go edit these videos. I will see you guys next time, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, each video of commentaries every week from now until I die. I'm just kidding, I don't know how long this is gonna go. But remember guys, like, share, and subscribe. Peace out, talk to you guys later. Fist bump to the face.